slowly on me. And cross them. Oh, this is nice. Keep it, stay like this. Yes. Super. And you can, yes, you can bend a little bit more. Okay, I will do, the first ones will be like a test shot, yes? Because I need to set up the right intensity. I will just do a test. I will tell you, because we now first need to find the ideal position, then you will know. Because I also need to know, it's like a little bit of experiment. Test. This is not bad. It's very moody.
Oh, that's really nice. I wasn't expecting that.
If you don't know what to do with the hands. So, always, so what will help you, don't do the same things with them. If one is doing this, the other one can be behind or above or something. Always they are doing something else. So when you don't know what to do, just do something different. You can always support yourself like this, play with the hair, play with the bra. Or when one is only holding, so when one is only holding like the pocket, the other one can show me a little bit more. And also what will help you with the hands actually, it's when you will be stepping on your toes, and it changes also the shape of your shoulders. Exactly, and this is the cool thing. Yeah? And you can be also a little bit in the knees if you want, and be like playful. Like basically I'm always telling everybody, seduce the camera. Like this is the boy you want to seduce and you will do anything for it. You know? Okay. Alright. I'll show you. Okay, I go closer to you. A head on me. And be sexy. Just turn slowly on me. Now turn completely on me. Actually, yes, play with it. Be like, you can even be like this. And the hands put behind your back and connect them. Exactly. Turn the other side. And look into the camera. Look at me. Love it. Super, I will go closer to you. And be like, they are cool, right?
Yeah, really cool.
Cool. The next part. This will do. On the light. Super. You can drop yourself how you were before with the legs spread. Take this on your shoulders. Basically, I need you to be like on the wall, so you might put the, don't worry, this, turn your shoulders here and torso there. Coffee? Not really, right?
Not the definition of confidence.
For this, I forgot, of course. Let's go. See, because I cannot see anything here.
Yeah.
But I see a lot of skin in here. And it makes your body sexy, but without saying anything, but it's a statement. You can play also with the bra part. This is super. Play with it still. Basically, I will give you very concrete instruction, yes? Move yourself a little bit there. That's perfect. And ultimate sexiness, yes? Put the legs more, like as close to you as possible, and cross them. Oh, this is nice. Stay like this. Yes, like that. And as much as you can. What else is on the market? One last thing, and then let's. These hands, put a little bit. Do da do 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 da do do da da. I'll go closer. Turn me a little bit more. Like this, exactly. And be like, Yeah. Now put it only like this, yes. How do you like it? Like it. Super. And you can, yes, you can bend. Anyway, I think we are done. Because there is so much to choose from.
Yeah.
You know, we can always do next time. It's a wrap.